Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do videos on luxury things like handbags, shoes, shopping, occasionally travel, sometimes beauty, and if those are topics that interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, and stick around for this next video. Now today's video is going to be about Chanel 24C, or the Cruise Collection, which recently premiered in LA on the Runway. There has been in the news in the last couple of days some articles talking about how Chanel has not ruled out the possibility of another price increase this year, and I don't want to dedicate a lot of time in this video to that topic because quite frankly it's not a surprise. They usually do have 2 price increases each year. I think they're always very shocking though, because while they're not the only design houses that do price increases every year, they're usually the biggest jumps in terms of prices. So everyone's always kind of in an uproar about it, and I kind of think at this point the people who were tired of such big price hikes and decided that these bags weren't worth the price anymore kind of left a long time ago. Companies like Chanel have reported record earnings, so it's obviously not hurting their business. Again, we've talked about this on my channel before, but I'm always interested to hear what you guys think about it. So let me know in the comments below, and let's get into 24C. So as I mentioned earlier, the 23-24 Cruise Collection was on the Runway a couple of weeks ago. Chanel took over Paramount Studios in Los Angeles, and they put on a really great show. Right now, we're about to go into 23A as far as the next collection that's going to be released in boutiques. So the 24C collection is probably going to be released maybe around November. It's usually towards the end of the year that the Cruise Collection comes out. And I want to start off with the bag that I think everyone is sort of anticipating as being like the it bag of the season. So we'll have to wait and see for the end of the year to see if it actually is. But last year we had the Chanel heart bag. That bag was so popular. It was so hard to get in the boutique. Everyone was clamoring for one. And then I don't know, I saw a lot of them flooding the pre-loved market. So I don't know if people were just buying them to resell them, if maybe they got it and realized it wasn't something that fit their collection. I don't know if the same thing will happen with this bag, but it's the Chanel Star bag, so it's also a fun shaped bag. It comes in a few different colors and materials. So we have it in a black, which will be a lambskin. Then we have it in a hot pink satin and a light pink satin. Those are really cute, and they really fit the Barbie theme that I think everybody's kind of into right now. Barbie core, the Barbie movie's coming out, and I just keep seeing Barbie pink everywhere. So if that's your style, your vibe, the pink versions will be really cute for you. And then we have 2 metallics. So we have a silver and a gold. I'm not sure of the leather type of these, but usually metallics tend to be like a calfskin or something like that. So it's very possible that that would be the material for these. Let me know, do you think these are going to be a hot item? I personally think they're pretty cute. I really like the metallic ones. I like the satin ones. I love satin, but you know, it always is a little bit risky because you can snag the bag easily. And I'm sure if this bag is as popular as everybody thinks, the black lambskin might be a really hot one. Now the next bag that really drew my attention is this Deauville. It comes in a few different colorways. So first up we have this really pretty purpley into pink kind of ombre bag, which I think is, out of the 3, maybe my favorite. I really like that color combination and it feels very California to me. Very, very cute. I think these are leather also. And then we also have a purple ombre version where it starts off with this purple color and it moves down into like a deeper blue. Another version where it's like a green into blue ombre. I think those are really fun. I think they'll be popular. They would make really cute summer bags. And if you're a tote fan, a Deauville fan, I can see this being a popular bag. I have seen people talking about it on social media as well. So that also kind of tells me that it might be a hot item for the season. Now, if you were a fan of the Incognito bag that came out, I think it was maybe 2 years ago that the Incognito bag came out, they'll be back in the Cruise Collection. So here's a really cute purple one. I think it might be a caviar leather. If not, I'll put the correct leather on the screen. Going back to this photo of the purple Deauville in front of it, it was also being carried on the runway by the model with this other really cute purple metallic bag, and it does have this little star coin purse attached to it. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Louis Vuitton multi-pochette with all the attachments, but I like this one better. I do like metallics, and I know it's going to come in several different metallic colors. color. So really cute. I like that flat bag a lot. I think the little attachment is also pretty adorable. It also comes in a backpack version, and I think this is really cute. I like the gold metallic color. You also have the little coin purse there. It's kind of like not a great photo of the coin purse because this is like an action shot from the Runway show, but you saw it better in the purple metallic bag. It's the same coin purse, really cute, and I really like the gold this season. Next we have this big ombre shopper bag. So definitely like a lot of cotton candy colors. This one does also come in several different colorways. I don't know if this would be a bag that I would go for. It's quite large and not really my style, but I do like the colors. There's also a lot of different unique classic flaps. So here we have this mini classic flap, and it comes with like a sequence, like wavy pattern with all of these different colors. And I can't really see the hardware. It kind of looks like it might be the light gold hardware to me, maybe gold. Here we have another little mini. It's purple and white. It's also sequins, and then you have like the star theme in there with the little tiny stars scattered throughout the bag. Here's another one, the Cocoa Paris, and it's got different colors, and it looks to be like ruthenium hardware. It looks black to me in this photo. Next is this hot pink, what looks to me to be a wallet on chain. Really cute. Love this shade of pink. I'm sure this shade will be in other bags as well. Here's another hot pink bag with a really large double CC in the front. This is really cute. It looks to be like a little mini bag. Tweed will also make a comeback. Here we have a really nice light pink and orange tweed. This one has charms on the front of it. I really like the tweed. I don't tend to like charms on my bag, so it would be nice if those were removable. Big chunky chains are back. Here we have a gold metallic bag with a big chunky gold chain. I don't remember, was it a few seasons or a couple of years ago that we had? I think it was called the Funky Spirit. Also another bag with a really big chunky chain just like this. Next we have this bag. It comes in a pastel-y, like kind of reminds me of watercolors a little bit in the color distribution. It's like a lot like that unicorn bag that everybody loved from a few years ago, and it comes with this like pastel green, purple. Now, I don't know about that flower. I don't know if that's detachable or if the bag comes with it. I would hope that it came without the flower though. Next up we have a few pouches, and they're all embellished, and they do remind me a lot of Barbie, like this one with the roller skate on the black background. Here we have another one, which I don't know if this is like a wallet on chain or just a clutch, but it's very much like the mini. You do have that sequin pattern, and here it's definitely a sunset, so very much inspired by California, and then you have the black sequin palm trees on top. And here we have another mini, and it looks to be like a rainbow style sequence mini. So you have either, I don't know if that's pink or red on top, then you have like a yellow, greenish layer, blue, and then purple at the bottom, and it's on a purple leather base. This looks really cute too. If you like sequins, if you like a lot of colors, this could be a great collection for you to keep an eye on. Let your SA know. I know people are already letting their SAs know about that star bag, so you know it would be time to contact them now if you are interested in any of these bags, because especially when there's something that people are really talking about, they tend to go fast, and I wouldn't be surprised if maybe all of the star bag allotments for each boutique might already be spoken for. Now this bag is really cute to me. It's a mini, and I know it does come in different colors. Here we have a light blue version. There's also a black version, and you have kind of like all of these little, almost like starbursts on the bag, and then scattered throughout you have the CCs in kind of like the middle of all of these rhinestone starbursts. This one's also fun. It's like a hot pink kind of chrome bag. It reminds me a lot of a silver walk that came out a few years ago, very similar to this, but definitely a fun pop of color, especially for like a night out. This one also looks like the other bag that I showed you earlier, but it's in a like moon hobo shape style. I think it's really cute. If you like iridescence, metallics, if you like pastel-y colors, this could be a great option as well. And finally, this black little clutch also stood out to me. I really like this one because the handle at the top looks like the Cocoa Crush bracelet, so I think that's a really fun detail. And the CC logo on the front is the quilted version of the hardware. Something that I think that if you're looking for like an evening piece, this could be a fun choice. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I didn't show all of the bags for the 24 Cruise collection. There will definitely be more bags released when the collection comes into boutiques. Let me know in the comments below if there were any bags that you really liked from the Runway show. I'm going to leave 2 videos on the screen in case you're not done watching my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!